Yay! Duck Day! Yay! It's Get a Duck Day.
If you're new to our channel, then let me fill you in. Our 9-year-old Dayton has been obsessed with ducks as soon as he could talk. So today was a monumental day in our journey to homesteading on our new abandoned property.
Look at my guys. Making sure we're all safe for the road.
Get some lights all hooked up, so we got our left, we got our right. So at least you go left, or maybe she can go right. We don't even know where we're going.
Dayton's getting us some drinks for the road. We're gonna go grab some food and then we'll be on our way.
Oh. We have to ask which ones, because I don't know if she'll be able to tell which ones are silver apple yet.
So you see the grayish, that kind.
More grayish ones
gray.
today.
Okay,
Those are the younger
There's
ones?
two that look really gray. That one there,
yeah,
Day.
like that.
And this one there looks really
Yeah.
gray, Day.
And then the ones with the mask
Yes.
are
There's
the
all kind of crowded in that one area.
Let them go by, Chase. Let them
Yes.
go over where the ducks are. There you
I
Right.
really like them because they grow faster and they
Chasey?
lay lots of eggs. Yeah.
The ones with the masks are silver apple yard and Saxony,
I want
and
this
they're
gray one here.
also
That's
very
the one
beautiful
that's
ducks.
in
Mom,
the
I'll
light
look
there.
them up.
go. That one.
Yeah.
You want that
That
little
one.
guy?
Yep.
Whatever you like.
I have to learn how to be a duck catcher now first.
Both hands.
I don't want to
Yeah.
hit the light.
Okay, we'll take the light away. That won't die for a minute. Nice. Yeah,
Go
both
that little guy,
hands.
Day. There you go, Day.
There you go.
Oh, David.
Good job.
And was this the other lighter one here, Day? And we only have one.
No, this is the one that I want.
Here's the other lighter one.
I want one darker.
Yeah, just a sec, Day. Just a sec.
Should I grab a box and put them in?
It's in the truck.
Yeah, I got a little
Yeah,
box.
I'll
I'll
go
find
grab
it.
it.
I'll
You want
grab
me to go
it.
get it, or-
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Chase, you're gonna get to pick one in 1 sec. Okay, wait for Dad to get a box. It's okay, Dave. Amazing. You really cute, right? So good.
Really love ducks.
Oh, so do we.
I love ducks. Yeah, the one that's still my favorite. The one with the big napkin
The
there.
one looks like he has a bib.
Yeah, I love that one.
So this size is 2 to 5 days old. These little guys that we just chose from. And these guys are about 10 days old, so they grow so fast. Look at how cute they are.
That's definitely grow fast.
They grow really fast. And then these ones over here are about 4.5 weeks old, so they grow so quickly. Look at, these are teenagers. So they're, look at that, they're going away. They don't want to play. They're being typical teenagers. Oh, look at them in the mix. So these ones are the barred rock ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, little barred rock
Oh
ones.
yeah, your
Easter
three,
eggers.
Easter eggers. They're in their own box.
Look at the little barred
I mean,
rock
I'm
ones.
pretty sure you can tell them apart because they don't have
Oh,
the
yeah.
head.
They're so cute. Little barred rock babies. Oh my goodness. Put him in the box. No, not him with the ducks. Put him in with the chicks. Daddy's the chicken master right now. They were jumping out everywhere. Oh my goodness.
This one's gonna sit on my lap.
Is it?
Oh yeah. I always got in trouble for bringing the chickens in the house.
We have pictures. Him sitting in the living room with
roosters in
chickens.
the house, so I
Yeah.
have nothing to say.
No,
Yeah.
I always bring my chickens in the
Little-
house.
I got nothing to
Hi
say.
guys. Oh my. Are you coming to my house?
And
Eggers.
Three Easter eggers
So
hatched
that's fine.
so
That's
far.
That's
So
okay.
I'm gonna hatch
We
more.
appreciate
Yeah,
you putting
no
them in
problem.
for
Thank
us.
you.
So that.
We're so excited.
So those just hatched.
Oh
See,
my
look at-
goodness. They're so tiny.
Look at this guy.
Oh wow.
I know. A very big find. We're so excited in Nova Scotia we can have them. Oh, hi, Rooster.
There they go.
Follow them. They'll go home. They know how to go home. They're gonna go home.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, are these really ours? Hi guys. Okay.
Ready, Day?
Here.
These guys can
I'm
jump.
gonna try to jump out. Hi guys. Oh, hello, little Easter egger. You are an Easter egger, and you are a Barred Rock, because the Easter eggers are these teeny tiny little ones. See, that's a little Easter egger. Chasey, Barred Rock. Hi, babies. So this little stinker decided that last night he was going to play dead and not hold his head up, lay on the ground, and whoop, I'm gonna put you down. I'm trying to show the YouTube family who you are. Scared the bejeebers out of me. Was not moving around like its little friends over here, but literally laying on its side, eyes closed, breathing really heavily, giving me a complete freak out. I stayed up super late last night tending to it, just giving it some love, checked on it so many times through the night, and this morning, what a little stinker, up walking around with his buddies, hanging out in our little home hardware pond we made. Happy little duck. Hi guys, can you swim? Oh, my little friend's gonna come. Look at him. Can you swim? Good job, buddy.
Oh, that must be so rewarding. Is he
I
literally...
can't believe I almost lost him or her. I'm calling him a him for now, but it'll probably be a her.
Aw. Well, whatever.
We went to bed that first night with 6 ducks. And the last thing I wanted was to wake up with 5, of course.
Right.
And he was laying on his side. We came in, I don't know how many times, all of us, into the bathroom. I even warned the kids. I was like, well, one of them might not have made it home.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna do everything I can. And of course, I only know what I've researched online about ducks, so I'm not a duck professional by any means.
No.
So I really didn't know what to do other than give it lots of love, and I kind of gave it a little bit of a head, neck, back rub a little bit throughout the night. Woke up several times when everyone else in the house was sleeping and just splashing you, Chase.
Can you come on down here? Hey, come on. It's okay.
Their little tails are wagging.
Oh, you gonna go? Oh, you can swim!
Our first one to swim. Of course.
Hi, buddy! First one to swim must be the youngest one.
It was the youngest one, so you can swim. Get over here. Come here.
I know you can.
Look at him go. He's swimming. His feet are going off the ground. You are such a little survivor. Oh, your friend's gonna stand on you and drown you. Yeah, let's go. He's pushing him out like, just swim. It's all right. Look at him go. Look at him go.
He's swimming.
Yay. Good job. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Look at, I love dunking their heads like this. Oh, the pups are jealous.
Yeah, they're like, something's going on.
How cute. Look at Billy.
Yo, he's going.
Oh, buddy.
Aw.
The other ones are kind of bigger, so they don't really swim. They can just kind of...
This one is just loving putting his head under. Oh, yeah, clean yourself. I made you a new fresh bed while you were in here. The deep water. Go, 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 go. You remind me of those little turny ducks where you
know
turn the
what?
little white knob and then they go...
He's been most with you, so he's comfortable
happy to
going.
come over to
yeah,
me.
he's fine. All the other ones are terrified.
Hi, guys. Come on. Yeah. I want to spend more time with the one that's closest to me, the gray one. That's my favorite one. This one here is my favorite.
Yeah, Chasey likes the one with the white belly. There was
This
the
one
white.
here is we think is an apple yard. So this apple yard is also here.
Yeah.
Then the one right over here in the corner.
This
This
guy.
one here. He's got the
Chasey's.
white
We
chest.
think
He's
it's
my favorite. We think he's the
Swedish blue.
Swedish blue. So
Yeah.
if he grows up into a boy, he's gonna have this blue tinge to his head. It's gonna look amazing.
It has now been 7 days since we had our ducks, and our journey so far has been amazing. They're growing so fast every day, and we can't wait to see what they look like when they're teenagers. It's going to be quite funny. We'll update you later this week with the progress of our new homesteading creatures. Thanks so much for watching. We love you. See you on the next episode.